Hi, in this video I will show you how to make money yourself. Before we get started, hit that subscribe, like, comment, share and notification bell for more make money yourself. Tips on how to grow on Twitch and making money on Twitch. 1. Networking. I cannot stress this out enough when it comes to growth. Networking is one of the first things you need to do in order to grow on Twitch. You have to meet people in order to get your name out there. The first thing I did was join a team. When it comes to networking, you have to be positive. No one wants to see a streamer that is always depressed. Make sure while on stream and off of stream on Twitter you always post something positive for everyone. Ignore the negativity and keep being the person you are as a streamer. Don't mind so much into the bigger streams. Start popping into other people's streams, donate, be active, tell them how great of a streamer they are, help them out, host, raid, etc. Trust me, the difference shows. 2. Consistency. Consistency is key. Make a schedule that works for you. Be sure it will work for at least a month before you change to your new schedule. Make it a habit for your followers to come in at a certain time each day that you pick to stream. Be consistent with that schedule. Do post a tweet if you will not be streaming that day so you can go ahead and let them know that they can go and watch somebody else or that you'll be streaming another day, time. Any schedule is better than willy-nilly. Even if it's a couple of hours a day, 3 days a week. 3. Be active. Make sure to stay active within the streaming community as you may fall of it quickly if you stop interacting with us for a whole month. Follow folks with similar interests. The sad part is, some will follow you when you follow them and may send you cringe-worthy auto DM, but it's a really good way to get your Twitter started. Make sure to stay active on others' accounts as well, retweet, comment, like their posts or message and ask them about their day. This goes hand on hand with networking. As you can tell now, networking is a huge part of growing on Twitch. Find Discord channels, find new friends, find new channels, be a part of a family. 4. The right game. They say to play what you love, but if there's a lot of people playing it, in other words oversaturated, you will never be discovered. There's a lot of niche games, find one that you love to play and keep you happy during your stream. 5. Commentating on stream. Make sure to stay active while you're streaming as well. Don't just sit on the camera and not talk even if no one is talking in your chat. Commentate non-stop and talk to yourself. If you play Call of Duty, you can explain where you are going next and why, or when you kill somebody, show excitement. 7. Decent overlay and settings. Make sure you aren't blocking the important portion of the gameplay such as a health bar, an action bar in the middle, the map, or the players in the lobby. A lot of us viewers actually like seeing that for some reason. Make sure to keep it on the middle portion of the screen. Usually maybe even investing in a green screen would be better. Be sure your settings for OBS or for your console is set up correctly because it can cause pixelation or a blurry stream. This sometimes also has to deal with the products you are using. 8. Don't think of it as a job. Usually if you think of something as a job, you hate it. You never want to go to work, you're never motivated, etc. Make sure to look at Twitch as a hobby. Networking with people is super fun, meeting new people is fun. Just be sure to always stay positive on stream. If you are getting emotional, tell your viewers you're just not having a bad day and get off stream till you cool down and you feel better. When you get off of camera, stay on Twitter and interact with people through DM, it'll make you feel so much better. Be happy and humble through this hobby and you'll eventually be doing your favorite hobby as an actual job. 9. Be yourself. Oh my god, I cannot stress this enough. Be yourself. Don't be like everybody else on stream and do what they do on stream. Find yourself on stream, be positive, be competitive, be a you. I am nothing like what I am at work because I'm not at my steady base. If your steady base is video games and video games make you happy, you're going to have an awesome time being yourself. If not, it'll be hard, but you are definitely going to be yourself on stream as well. Just don't fake it, your viewers will see right through it. We came to your stream to see you, not an imitated version of somebody else. 10. Promoting. Promotion does not mean to post "here is my channel, check it out" on Twitter or Facebook. If someone thinks that they can connect with you in some way, they will come check you out on your stream. Once you get a few people coming regularly, you will see faster growth. Organic growth is your friend. 11. Get affiliate ASAP. Reach 50 followers. Stream for 8 hours. Stream on 7 different days. Average of 3 viewers. To be eligible to apply to the affiliate program, you must meet all 4 requirements within the same 30-day period. 12. After you are affiliate, you will need to hit $100 a month to get pay next month 15th. If you don't hit $100 a month, the money will carry over to the next month, so on until you $100. And you will get payout the next month 15. You get upload your own emote, up to max 7 emotes. Sub badge, bit badge ECT. 13. How Twitch pay you. Twitch pay you from bits, subscription, gifted subs, prime subs, paid subs, extensions and ads. Twitch pay you, 1 bit equals 1 cent. Prime sub equals $2.49. Paid sub equals $2.17, ads revenue. Twitch versus you get on Tier 1 subs equals 50/50ths. Tier 2 subs 50/50ths, Tier 3 subs 50/50ths. 14. Twitch partner. Stream for 25 hours. Stream on 12 different days. Average of 75 viewers. Twitch versus you partner, get on Tier 1 subs equals 50/50ths, up to 30/70ths. Tier 2 subs 50/50ths, up to 30/70ths. Tier 3 subs 50/50ths, up to 30/70ths. And unlock more emote slots. I really hope this helped a bit. It's definitely helped me, and I only wish to help others as well while I'm growing through the growth process as well. I love you guys. Best of luck on your streaming career. Stay awesome. I made over $20,000 on Twitch. If I can do it, you can do it too. Now you know how Twitch works. Invest responsibly, invest as a form of entertainment, invest on yourself, learn more. You will find people will support you. Don't give up. I just wanna thank you guys so much for watching this video. It really means the world to me, and if you're interested in more business ideas, YouTube ideas, how to make money with YouTube yourself, subscribe to this YouTube channel. I'm gonna be putting out absolutely free videos that you guys can watch. And if you wanna learn in depth, you wanna get coached, check out my link below in the description, and also check out the course. If you wanna take your YouTube channel to the next level, we are absolutely blowing up YouTube channels within the course member community. So if you guys wanna join that, check it out. Links are down in the description. I wanna thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys are interested in more videos on how to make money with YouTube, check out this playlist right here. That I put together completely free videos on how you can start making money yourself. You guys are gonna love this playlist right here. Click it and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks so much for watching, everybody. I'll see you guys next time.